right, here we go. Bum, 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 bum. Open the pack of our basketball cards. You ready, Lily? Dun 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 dun. Oops. Got three cards, limited edition NFT NBA basketball cards. Let's see who we got in the first slot. Boom. Donovan Mitchell. Fuck yeah. Boom. Ha ha. Next card. Whoop. Boom. Joel Embiid. Sweet. Third card. Oh, Wendell Carter Jr. Boom. 4,144 out of 12,000. This one is 2,640 out of 10,000. And this one is 19,187 out of 35,000 plus. So this one's a super common card. But the best card I think we got is the Joel Embiid. It's a common, but there's only 10,000 people that are going to get it. Very, very nice. Let's go.